Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to fix the live option missing issue on TikTok. If you are unable to access the live feature on TikTok, follow these steps to resolve the problem. First, ensure your account meets TikTok's requirements for going live. You need to be at least 16 years old to go live, and your account must have at least 1,000 followers. If you don't meet these criteria, the live option will not appear. If your account is eligible but the live option is still missing, check if your TikTok app is updated. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for TikTok, and install any available updates. Next, clear the TikTok app cache. Open your device settings, go to Apps, App Management, find TikTok, and tap on it. Select Storage and then clear cache. Restart the app and check if the live option appears. If the issue persists, log out and log back into your TikTok account. Tap the profile icon, access the menu, and select Log Out. Once you log back in, try accessing the live feature again. Ensure your account is not restricted. If you have violated TikTok's community guidelines, your access to certain features, including live, might be temporarily removed. Check your inbox for notifications or contact TikTok support for assistance. Finally, as a last resort, uninstall and reinstall TikTok app. Long press the app icon, select uninstall, confirm, and then re-download the app again from the App Store or Google Play Store. Log back in and check if the live option is restored. These steps should help you fix the missing live option on TikTok. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks.